That was a way harder hit on that second song. That's a really deep port. Nice. How many cubes is it?
If I remember right, somewhere in the 13 area.
Okay. So what's your name and what's in here?
Paul Kush, aka King K. 4 Crossfire XT315 on 16K. 2 Singer 290 out. C-Mac.
Nice.
3 Crossfire 10s in each door. ES18 Super Speeders.
Wow. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. That's a pretty steep box.
Yeah, that's the same one from
Okay.
this thing
Nice.
for about
How low is it tuned?
29.
29. Okay, so it likes the lows. Really nice. And is it at 1 ohm, half ohm? Where you wired to?
Half on.
Half ohm. Okay. Getting all the power. Wow. Have you done any roof work yet?
Yeah, up to here. So it's wood.
Okay.
Up to,
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, up to here.
All right.
No.
That won't.
It won't. It's stuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
I had to make the decision, that I want to close it and foam it, but then it'd be stuck shut. Which would have been cool because then I wouldn't have had to worry about sun.
Yeah.
But I kind of sort of like the sun.
The sun, yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, at night.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I always see these things tear up from the base. So.
Yeah. Actually, when I first built it, it popped out. The craziest thing, it was only these 4 screws.
Really?
I tightened them up and I ain't had
I had problems with keeping it. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I've had like my roof ripped to shit.
Yeah.
I just put it back together.
Okay. Dude, you should have played that song first. That was like twice as loud, man. That's wild, dude. That felt like a sandbag on the first after the second one, man.
It actually was a little bit.
I appreciate it.
I was trying to see like how hot it really was.
Yeah.
I know it's pretty hot.
That was a way harder hit on that second song. Wow.
Yeah, it's definitely hot.
That was a good one. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, man.
Good job. Wow. That's some pressure for no wall, man. Nice job. Play's pretty low. Are you happy with it? Yeah. King K, team's still louder. That's crazy, man. Oh yeah. Man, you probably burp. What's your SPL score? Never tried.
I mean, I've done like.
You probably burp a 59, I bet.
Yeah.
Or louder.
I played with it like one time. We were just playing around and it like, but it did like a 58, 6, 7,
Yeah.
something like that.
But you're not here to compete.
I never.
Yeah.
I've never tested through, figured out what my people.
Yeah. That's all good, man. I appreciate it, man. Just letting it cool off a little bit, so I think you're about ready, or?
So what? Yeah. So what? So what? So what? So what? So what? So what? So what?
discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Take your bitch and go and fuck her into eating.